Hi, Oscar here, and right now I'm going over a common question that's kind of a bit confusing, but I'll teach you step by step how to solve it easily. So I've written down every step that is very important that you will need to kind of solve this question correctly. So here it is. Remember to define variable, write an explanation, solve, check, and conclude with therefore. Therefore is, I deleted it, so it's basically 3 dots that represent therefore. These are kind of the main things I talked about that is necessary to learn in math. So now on to how the terms are represented by. Therefore, I talked about it's 3 dots like this. And a variable is any letter that represents a number. An equal sign is used before an equation to make it neater and conclude the equation. So you want to circle the key numbers here. Brendan spent $4.50, circle $4.50 per day for a course of 16 days, circle 16 days. He had a total of $78.25 before he started spending his money, circle $78.25. And finally, how much money does he have after he left all the 16 days? So make sure you could pause the video, you could go back, and you could rewatch that if you don't understand all of that. Okay, so now we have our 3 important factors right here. So now I'm going to be starting to define the variable, writing the explanation, solving the equation, solve, check, and conclude with therefore. But first, I need to define the variable. So you put the equal sign at the start. You start with the total, so $78.25, and then you get minus $4.50, because you're minusing from the total and the money spent, so you get the change. You finally add the multiplying 16 days after the $4.50 because he spent over a course of 16 days. Always remember BEDMAS. So BEDMAS is the key component to this whole equation and every equation in math. So you first start with equal sign, you put the same thing in, and because you have a multiplication, you do that first because M is ahead of S. So you do $4.50 times 16, which equals to $72. You can simplify that by doing this, because you already have this right there. So you can write $72 right here. And now it equals 78.25 minus $72, which is magically $6.25. So that's your answer of the change left. Don't forget to check. Checking is very important in math. $6.25 plus $72 because 78.25 is, you want to know for sure that these two combined is $78.25, which is the total that you want. So $6.25 plus $72, 6.25 plus 72. You add this, equals 5, 2, 6, whoops, not 6, it's 8, 7. You add these together, which is the same, so it's $78.25. Congratulations, it's correct. And so now you know for sure that this $6.25 is the correct answer. You could conclude with therefore. So therefore, Brandon has a total of $6.25 after the 16 days. So now You have your answer. Yay! This lesson is now concluded, and you feel free to go back and rewind to watch and make sure that you understand every single step. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'm out.